Welcome back, guys. Odin is all clean. We just got back from his day at the spa. Yeah, he is. Alright. So today we are mixing tequila with coffee liqueur, and we're making an awesome little cocktail called the Flutter. And that's a funny name, but it's a good cocktail. Alright, so in this we've got reposado tequila. I'm using Espolón. We also have our homemade coffee liqueur. Click that link, go check out how we made that. But you can use any coffee liqueur, Kahlua if you got it. Although, if you got something closer to Mr. Black, a drier coffee liqueur, that's what we really want to be using here. So, 1 3/4 ounces of reposado tequila. I know that's a weird measurement. This one had weird measurements. So there's 1 and then there's 3/4. Next up, our coffee liqueur, my homemade coffee liqueur. I'm doing a full ounce. As I mentioned, mine is on the drier side. You could use Kahlua, but it's gonna be sweeter. When this is really meant to be more of a dry, tart kind of drink. After that, we're doing an 1.25 ounces of pineapple juice. Like I said, weird measurements. There's the ounce and there's the quarter. Alright, so this recipe comes from Difford's Guide. That's where I found it. And they called for their own proprietary Daiquiri Bitters. You could use like a Tiki style bitters. What I decided to go with was 1 dash of Ango, and I'm going to do a dash of coffee bitters. Why not? We got coffee flavor, may as well just play on that. But if you got Tiki style bitters, go ahead and use those. Alright, that's it for the drink. Now we're going to add some ice to our glass. Do a flippy move, give it a really good shake. It's got pineapple juice in it, so it's going to give us that nice little foam. Alright. Slap to unseal. Look at that foam in there. Okay, we're serving this in a, well, I'm going to get my double strainer there, but we're serving this in a Nick and Nora. You can serve it in a coupe, martini glass. You want to serve it up. I'm double straining because I did do a pretty vigorous shake, and I'm almost positive there's some ice chips in there, and I don't want them in my drink. Unfortunately, I filled this pretty much to the rim, so I didn't get much of that foam. There was good foam, but I filled the glass. For garnish, we're doing an orange peel. So I cut it, expressed some oils, and then I trimmed it so it looks good. I'm just going to sit it there on the rim. And there it is, the Flutter Cocktail. Alright, let's give it a taste. So on the nose, I get the citrus from the orange peel. On the taste, it's very coffee and pineapple forward. Those flavors work really well together. Check out the Mr. Bali Hai video. Another great coffee and pineapple cocktail. The only issue here is the tequila is kind of lost. It's kind of one note, just coffee, pineapple, not much more. But it is enjoyable. So give it a try if you like those flavors. And we'll see you next time. Cheers.